It's Amazon Prime Day, so I'm doing a quick little impromptu video in real time this morning. I'm going to post it right after I finish recording this because the collagen supplement that I've been taking for the last 3 years is 30% off today. My #1 recommended collagen supplement. This is the biggest discount I have ever seen on this product. So for the sale for the next 2 days, check it out. I'm linking this below. It's Sparkle Wellness brand Skin Boost Plus. This is actually the old packaging. They rebranded it. So cute. So you might get a new looking package. But this is the collagen I've been taking, like I said, for 3 years. If you've been following me, you already know all about this and all the benefits and why this is my #1, why I think it's very different than the others and it works better. So you can just go to the description and go right to the link to take you to the sale. But I'm going to mix my supplement up this morning. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it if you are not familiar with oral collagen supplements, how they work, and why this is the best one. I'm Dr. Maren Locke. I'm the budget dermatologist. I help you fix your skin. I give you advice for real skin. Make sure you're subscribed and come say hi on Instagram at the budget dermatologist. So let's make this because I've got to go. Okay, so I start with my water bottle. I will link these below. I get these from Amazon too. And this is the one supplement that I try to be the most consistent about, even more consistent than my skincare routine. It is this supplement right here, because if you take this consistently, you will get results. This is clinically proven, and I've seen these results myself. So every day, without fail, unless I'm sick, I guess, I don't know, there's almost no reason I don't take this supplement. So I start with these glass bottles. I actually get these from Amazon as well, so I will link these below. Then I just take one heaping scoop and I put it directly into the bottle and then shake really hard, and it's my supplement. I take it with me. And like I said, I try to be very consistent about this. I even sometimes use a little frother. I'll link that below too. I get it from Amazon to make this super smooth, no clumps in it. So here's the deal. This is the reason I use this particular collagen, this brand, almost every day. This has, I don't know if you can see it, Verisol, obviously you can't see that, but this has a Verisol collagen. Verisol collagen, in my opinion, from my deep dive on all the research I've done, is the most effective bioactive collagen peptides that you can take that have the best absorption, and they have clinically proven results to improve your skin elasticity, reduce your wrinkle formation, and increase hydration of your skin. Now, it's not just about the Verisol collagen. You also have to have vitamin C to build actually strong collagen molecules. And this supplement here also has vitamin C in it, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. So that, again, all synergistically together is going to improve your skin hydration and give you those anti-aging, skin health, skin barrier benefits and results. Now, Verisol collagen, the type of collagen in this, you are not going to find this type of collagen in all these other collagen supplements that are out in the market. So it's actually hard to find that. And when I found Verisol collagen, that's what led me to this brand. This Verisol collagen is actually made by a company called Gelita, and Sparkle Wellness sources the collagen from them. And this is the particular collagen that has all these clinical studies done on it. So if you take this daily, so what the studies show, for minimum 4 weeks, you're going to start getting these results. 8 weeks, even more results. So be consistent and you are going to get results from this collagen. Like I said, I'm more consistent about this than I am in anything else in my routine, because skincare, your skin health and your skincare routine, it's not just about what you put on top of your skin, it's about what you eat. Of course, you can get collagen from your diet, from whole food sources, but it's hard to get enough. So I take this one. This has 5,000 milligrams of Verisol, which is a good dose in it. Again, 30% off. I'm linking this below in the description so you can shop it on Prime Day. I think it might be on sale on their website too. So I will link directly to their website. And all of the products actually from Sparkle Wellness are on 30% off right now. And they have another new one that I've been trying. Let me grab it. It's here, collagen magnesium. So again, Verisol collagen in this, but it also has magnesium. So no, this is not a sleep aid, but magnesium supplementation can actually help you get better rest, more restorative sleep. So this at night is actually a really good option. So this is in their sale as well. Now, another point I want to make about this oral collagen supplementation is that there are many studies done just on the concept of oral collagen and if it actually can be taken drink, whatever, going through the GI system and then actually make it to the skin to do its job. Studies show that it actually does. And I think it is widely accepted, the benefits of oral collagen. I have several other videos on my YouTube channel where I do a deeper dive into the literature showing you why I trust oral collagen, why I believe in it, and why I think it's worthwhile to add into your routine. So I will link those videos in the description of this video as well as the link to shop this on Prime Day. I will link these glass bottles and the frother I use to make it extra frothy. I use that as well when I do the collagen chocolate flavor in my coffee that's really good. I use that frother for that. All of this is linked below. Come follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be sharing maybe some more Prime Day favorites that I find on sale during the next 2 days, some skincare products. I will link this on my Instagram stories. The facial patches that I've been using are on sale. I will link those. So come say hi, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.